How to delete the VK app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can delete the VK app, also known as Vkontakte, from your Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, unlock your phone and find the VK app on your home screen. And once you have found that, simply press and hold on the app icon. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on App Info. And after that, you'll be prompted to the app settings. Now here, in this page, you can see the option labeled as uninstall at the bottom center of the screen. So just tap on that, and after that a confirmation message will pop up. From that message, simply tap on OK. And once you have confirmed it, the app will be removed from your Android device. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.